Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Open Outlook and click Calendar to view your schedule and available time. Click New Appointment to create a blocking event quickly and without delay. Give the event a clear title like Out of Office or Focus Time. Choose precise start and end times and include the date or dates you need blocked. Use specific durations, such as 30 minutes or 1 full day depending on your need. Keep the event on your primary calendar to ensure visibility to coworkers. With the appointment open, choose Show As and select Out of Office or Busy to block time. If you prefer concealment, mark the event private so others cannot see details. Add a short location or note to clarify reason or alternative contact instructions. If you will be unreachable, add a contact person and brief instructions in the body. Adjust reminder settings to none if you want no notification. Save the event to apply the block time immediately on your calendar. If you need repeated blocks, use recurrence and select daily, weekly, or custom patterns to suit your schedule. For a single longer absence, set the start and end across consecutive days and mark Show as Out of Office. If the block time affects colleagues, add them as attendees and click Send Update to inform them immediately. In Outlook Web, click New Event, then select Out of Office under Status to replicate the same behavior. Review Calendar to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.